nakalimutan mo ako. Kaya naman ngayon humihiti na ng tabako andim. At madalas akong nag-iisa kasi di ko magawa na maghanap pa ng iba. Walang pagsubok na sinuko para wag ka lang maglaw. Di ba minahalam kita ng tunay ngunit sa'kin lumayo. Sawa na ako sa paghihintay. Kung hindi ko makakayanan to ako'y mamamatay.
Saan ka man magpunta, ano man ang gawin mo, ako ay nandirito lang naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Nais ko lang ipadama ang aking pagmamahal, nang sa ganun ay makasama ka na napakatagal. Ang puso kong ito, ikaw lamang tinitibo. Kahit ang mga litrato mo sa unan ko sinusukso ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo na walang makakapantay. Pangalang KLC, lagi sa'yong maghihintay.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
You see my life while I'm seeing my death. Di ko ma-imagine ang buhay ko'y napaka-blessed with an angel from heaven, a gift from God, someone na mamahalin. Magpakailanman ikaw ang iniisip, pagsikat ng araw at siya rin ang panaginip. Paglubog ng araw, ikaw at ako mahal, we are perfect team. And now we hesitate na tatawagin girl of my dream. Akin nang inilahad ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Sana malaman mo ang nararamdaman kong ito, at lahat ay aking gagawin upang iyong malaman na pag-ibig kong tunay walang pag-alilangan. At kung ang nakara ay maibabalik, hindi na sana ako sa iyo nananabik. Iyong mga halik at takmin, I'll be waiting for death. Lil Ken is waiting as long as I'm alive forever.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
Baby girl, I wonder why you're always grieving. My tears flow into my cheeks when I hear you living. And all I can feel is the blow of gentle breeze, so that the pain inside fades away and gentle sways at ease. Girl, I miss the way you kiss me and hug me. It's like a fairy tale fantasy, happy ending story. And no matter what it is, I won't leave you, girl. You're like a goddess in my life that makes my world turn. Even though, baby, we're both so apart, I will always get you here in my heart. And you know, baby girl, that you're the one I truly love. You're like an angel that comes from heaven up above. All these years, baby, I was so depressed, and all I can say is the words I express. You came into my life, cause you are my everything. I always kept on saying, I love you, baby Kim.